Welcome to the Dropshipping with Aliexpress course. I've put this course together to help beginners and intermediate e-commerce experts build a dropshipping store from scratch using Shopify, Aliexpress, and a few apps on Shopify. Now this is going to take you from start to finish, how to build a store, how to find a niche, how to get the applications installed, how to find the products on Aliexpress, import them into your store, and advertise your drop shipping store on Facebook and retarget on Facebook as well. So this is going to have everything for you from start to finish. If you are interested in owning your own business, having a side hustle where you get a little extra money, or traveling like myself, I'm currently in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and working for yourself, this course is for you. It'll help you get started and start generating cash on a daily basis in different niches and products that you think you can sell on Shopify and Facebook. So jump right in if this is interesting to you. I'm going to make sure this course is constantly updated with the latest information, new courses, new case studies, new ways to advertise, and new niche selection tools. So if you subscribe, jump into the course, I will keep you updated with everything that you need for dropshipping with Aliexpress. I look forward to seeing you inside, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you ask in the course itself, and I'll respond as soon as possible. See you guys in a second.